All right, number 2. Again, we have a function. We're going to identify the amplitude, period, phase shift, if any, and then we're going to graph it. All right, so the amplitude is the given one. That's the one that doesn't take much effort to find. So let me write this down. Y equals 1/4 sine of x plus pi over 2. And then, so we get our amplitude is 1/4. That's given. That's the A value. B is 1. So the period is 2 pi divided by B, which there's no number here, so B is 1. So period is just 2 pi. And then the phase shift, PS, is equal to C divided by B. Alright, C is pi over 2. And B is 1. So anything divided by 1 is itself. So we just get pi over 2. So the phase shift is pi over 2. It's going to be opposite. It's going to be left. Okay. It's going to be left. And I think that's all they ask for that part. Alright, so amplitude is 1 divided by 4. Make this big. The period stayed at 2 pi. The phase shift was pi divided by 2, and I don't know how they're going to want me to input this. So here's my dilemma. The original function has a negative in it. So if you plug a negative here, that means it shows up positive as it does here. So that's how you know left. Whatever you see here is opposite. So what actually got plugged in is a negative pi over 2. But I don't know if they want you to put the negative here or not, but we'll see. But I do know it's going left based on what you see here. I just look at the opposite of that. So I'm just going to leave it as positive pi over 2 for now. And let's check. They'll probably say one part is incorrect if they want the negative. Okay, so your answer for the amplitude and period are correct, but the phase shift is incorrect. Okay, so do the opposite sign. Let me do that. So that's the negative right there. All right. Now we're going to graph it. This is still sine, so this curve. Just click anywhere on the graph, and then we're going to tell it. So this is a little bit different. Amplitude is 1/4, 1 divided by 4. The period was still 2 pi. The no vertical shift. Phase shift was left. Can I get that? Right at pi over 2. I guess that's it. I can't tell which one it is. Let me compute this. Actually, I got a better calculator here. Let me actually get a better estimate. So let's say, where you at? Pi divided by 2. 1.57. Okay. So yes, that number was good. I believe that's everything we need. Maybe I got it typed in wrong. Okay, so let's go again. Amplitude is 1/4. Period was still 2 pi. The phase shift was a negative. And I don't know if I had that saved a while ago. Alright, so let's save that and let's check again. Okay, so maybe I didn't have the right thing saved.